Hi, my name is Catherine, and here we're going to take a look at how to import data into SharpCloud from an Excel spreadsheet. By the end of this video, you should be comfortable in knowing how to import data into SharpCloud from Excel and troubleshoot any errors if required. When bringing in data from Excel, the rows are going to represent different items in your story, and the columns will represent different attributes and tags. We have some columns that will be mapped into some fields that SharpCloud provide, specifically a column to use for our external ID, which in this case we've named Project ID, and one for our item name, which in this case we've called Project Name. And lastly, we also have one for our description. However, all other columns are all customizable and you can have as many or as few as you'd like. To ensure a smooth import, ensure that the data reflects the attribute data type. For example, in a date field, you should not have any text or numeric data, or in a numeric field, you shouldn't have any text. An example of this would be for investment value, this should be a numeric data type. And you can see we've got some data here called not applicable. Another example would be for dates. Ensure you have a date format like so. Don't use things like December 2024 or TBC or Q1, etc. Ensure you use a proper date format as shown. So now we're ready to import the data. So we'll be importing our projects category into the project category within the story. So I'm just going to simply select all my data. I'm going to do Control-C to copy the data. And I'm going to navigate to my SharpCloud story. And you can see here we're missing our projects, and that's what we're going to go ahead and import. So in order to import the data, you come up to the top left of the SharpCloud UI where it says Story and click on the drop down and go ahead to All Data. Once you're in All Data, we can simply then come to our Projects category. And we can go ahead and select the Import button to import our data. Once you've clicked on the Import button, simply do Control-V to paste the data and ensure all your fields are mapped correctly. So project ID is mapped to external ID, project name to name. And we can see down here we've got a couple of issues and warnings that have appeared. So one of those is that investment value is not applicable, is not a number. So I can go ahead and either remove that not applicable, or I can go ahead and add an investment value for this project. Now, for now, I'm just going to remove that, and then I'm going to simply then click OK. And then we can see the data has been imported into SharpCloud. And by clicking OK again, we can now see our projects are appearing in our layer view in SharpCloud. So that's how you go about bringing data into SharpCloud from Excel. Thank you for listening.